Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting in store for all you DIY enthusiasts and tool lovers out there. We've compiled a list of 12 incredibly useful tools available on Amazon that will take your woodworking and home improvement game to the next level. So, let's jump right in. Introducing the Amazon Basics No. 4 Adjustable Universal Bench Hand Plane with 2-inch blade, priced at just $22.60. A durable cast iron body ensures stability, while the impact-resistant plastic handle offers excellent control. Its durable steel alloy blade guarantees quality cuts, and the adjustable gear allows precise results. Perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, this hand plane enhances woodworking with comfort, reliability, and precision. Discover the Toolant Impact Hex Head Allen Wrench Drill Bit Set, a 20-piece kit priced at just $12.99. Designed for impact drivers and heavy screw driving, these bits boast a durable S2 alloy steel body with CNC machine tips and a hardened core for strength and reduced fracture risk. The innovative torsion zone absorbs torque peaks, preventing breakage during intense tasks. A manganese phosphate surface prevents rust, ensuring long-lasting performance. Plus, the strengthened magnetic impact bit allows easy screw pickup without decaying magnetism after multiple uses. Introducing the Workland Portable 3-Hole Punch for Binder, priced at just $15.38. This convenient tool allows you to punch up to 5 sheets of paper at a time with a gentle press, making it easy to use. The new design includes a built-in 10-measure ruler for added practicality, and a removable chip tray catches the punched holes, ensuring a clean punching experience. Made of durable stainless steel and high-strength plastics, this 3-hole punch is built to last. Its lightweight and portable design allows for easy carrying between the office and home, making it highly recommended for students who need a binder to keep notes organized neatly. Introducing the XOL Leather Hole Punch set at just $14.99, an awesome and versatile tool ideal for various surfaces. This punch plier is commonly used for leather, belts, plastic, rubber, fabric, and more. With 6 different hole sizes, 2mm to 4.5mm, the sharp tapers ensure precise and clean punches. Crafted from plated steel, it guarantees durability and toughness, while the spray lacquer process prevents oxidation. The brass pad adds safety, and the ergonomic double lever mechanism reduces effort. The anti-slip handle provides comfort and less hand fatigue. Plus, the punch plier's compact design with a stainless buckle allows convenient storage. Experience superior power and efficiency with this excellent leather hole punch. Introducing the Dewalt Handheld Without Debugging Tungsten Electrode Sharpener TIG Welding Rotary Tool with Flat Grinding Block, priced at $71.99. This handheld tungsten sharpening grinder is a game changer for TIG welders, offering efficiency and convenience. Time-saving design, compact and handheld, it eliminates the need to run between bench mills as it fits right on the TIG table. Grinding tungsten steel accurately and swiftly saves valuable time, making welding work a breeze. Easy to use, with no installation or debugging required, even novices can effortlessly grind the perfect angle. The professionally designed mandrel ensures consistent grinding wheel height and stabilizes the tungsten steel rod's angle. Moreover, the tungsten sharpening tool includes tungsten cutoff grooves, allowing users to remove damaged parts before regrinding. Versatility. The grinder can be used as a regular rotary tool by removing the sharpening guide attachment and screwing the collar cap. Experience the simplicity and effectiveness of the Dewalt handheld tungsten electrode sharpener and enhance your welding projects with precision and ease. Introducing the VivaHome 110-volt, 1/3 HP 4 CFM single-stage rotary vane air vacuum pump and our 134 AC manifold gauge set kit, priced at $169.99. It's lightweight and durable with a die-cast aluminum housing and anti-slip rubber base. Ideal for self-diagnosing or recharging AC systems, the pump efficiently removes moisture before refilling refrigerant. The kit includes color-coded hoses, high-quality pressure gauges, and a carry bag for easy storage and transportation. Ergonomic grip handle, built-in cooling fan, and oil sight glass for convenience. Perfect for a 134A, R12, R22, R502, and our 410A air conditioning systems, with our 410A fitting adapters included. Introducing the Instant Aerosol trigger handle at $11.99. Ergonomic design for a professional finish, eliminates finger fatigue. Accurate spray control for a smooth finish, easy to clip on and off. Universal fit for all standard spray cans, versatile for various products like paint, adhesives, lubricants, and cleaners. Enhance your spraying experience with this convenient and reusable handle. Introducing the Quiero Rivet Net Gun, priced at $158.88. This versatile tool comes with 3 gun heads, a 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch, and 1 bearing and 5 mandrel replacements for each size, ensuring efficient and convenient usage. Its self-locking function enables quick assembly and disassembly of mandrels without any additional tools, boosting work efficiency. Designed for quality and durability, the Rivet Net Gun features a speed-adjust knob to control gas size, allowing precise intensity and work speed adjustments. The embedded muffler vent minimizes noise during operation, providing a quieter working environment. The gun's sturdy impact-resistant steel S2 material connecting rod and high-quality rotor forged with alloy steel guarantee long-lasting performance and reduced shaking. Its shock-proof design reduces arm impact during use, promoting comfortable and fatigue-free operation. The ergonomic anti-slip handle ensures easy handling and operation, making it an excellent choice for various projects. Introducing the Duino 34-in-1 electric screwdriver set with 30 magnetic bits, priced at $42.99. This cordless screwdriver provides 6 adjustable torques up to 6 Nm, ensuring precise and accurate work. The rechargeable 2,200 mAh battery with USB-C charging supports long working hours and can tighten up to 300 screws. The smart digital display shows torque level, battery status, and direction, while the 6 shadowless LED lights facilitate operation in dim environments. The set includes 30 strong CRV bits with hardness over 60 HRC and a 60 mm extension rod for hard-to-reach places. Introducing the MAXPOWER 2 pieces nail puller set at $22.99. The set includes an 8-inch nail puller with chisel scraper and a 12-inch nail puller, both made of drop-forged and heat-treated alloy steel for strength and durability. The corrosion-resistant black nickel-plated finish ensures long-lasting performance. The polished, beveled claws allow for precise nail pulling and prying. Simplify your nail removal tasks with this reliable and versatile nail puller set. Introducing the Table Vise, priced at $19.97. Weighing 2 pounds, it has a 2-inch maximum jaw capacity, 3-inch jaw width, and can clamp workbenches up to 2.17 inches thick. The vise can tilt and rotate 360 degrees without punching, making it ideal for various industries like jewelry making, crafting, and electronics. The anti-skid design inside the jaws enhances clamping force, and rubber covers protect your workpieces. It offers 2-in-1 functionality with easy switching between modes using the provided tools. Introducing the Woodrafic all-new Dovetail Jig Marker Hand Magnetic Saw Guide, priced at $59.97. This saw guide features a silicone-wrapped main body to prevent slipping, while the neodymium magnet securely holds the saw in place during woodworking tasks. Smaller yet sturdier, it is designed to prevent any loose grip, shaking, or slipping. Made of durable aluminum, it ensures long-lasting performance even after multiple uses. Ideal for hand saws, this tool works exceptionally well for both beginner and professional carpenters.